Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my fall 2022 home tour with you all. I hope this video gives you some inspiration and lots of decorating ideas. So sit back and relax and enjoy today's video. Before we get into today's video, I would like to quickly share a Wayfair series with you. I know you already know Wayfair for their amazing home decor, but you might not know that they have a YouTube channel called Interior Motives. I love Interior Motives for all the fun ways to solve life's most necessary design problems. I used the episode Declutter Your Tiny Bathroom for all of your makeup and applied it to the same concept to declutter my fall decor. Go check out the full episode of Interior Motives. I have provided a link down below in my description box. You will not be disappointed. Now let's get back into today's home tour. So before I take you inside, I want to quickly share my front porch. I tried to make things as simple as possible. Here in Las Vegas, it's really hard for me to keep real potted mums alive on my front porch. I found the perfect faux mums at Hobby Lobby and they worked out perfectly. I love the colors. I love that I mixed in the whites that I already have in my home as well as those burgundy colors that I will be using. If you are new to my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure that you hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. You're also going to want to follow me over on my Instagram. The handle is left up right here. I also have a link in my description box that you can just click on. Here in the entryway, I wanted to keep it simple and add just a little pop of color. I did things a little differently from previous years and I started adding some of those jewel tones to my decor and I am so in love. I love the pop of color that it brings to my home. But here in the entryway, it is rather small, so I used that burgundy or purple color very sparingly. If you watched one of my other videos, I did a entryway makeover and I switched this up a couple different times and this is a little bit different from the last time, but I love it. I love those really comfortable neutrals with just that tiny little pop of color. I found this beautiful glass fantasy style pumpkin at Marshall's a couple years ago, and then those sweater pumpkins I found at Target. The wreath that I have hanging on that mirror and these beautiful fall stems were both found at Target this year, so they should still have them. Now we're going to go into the family room, and this is where I definitely had the most fun with my decor. I would have to say my favorite place to decorate in this room is most definitely my fireplace mantle. What inspired me most with my colors to use this fall season is this painting here, or this print. I found this print on Etsy, I believe, and I am just so in love with it. I think it is just so incredibly gorgeous. So I wanted to take those colors and use them in my fall decor. I'm going to try to incorporate those same colors in my Christmas decor if that is possible. I try to talk as little as possible in my home tour videos because I want you to just sit back and relax and view everything without a bunch of talking. So if you see something in today's video and you have a question, please don't hesitate to ask down in the comments below. Both of these pillow covers were found on Amazon, and I will leave them linked down in my description box. Now we're going to move on into the kitchen, and I want to start by sharing this beautiful china hutch with you. I hold all of my china in here, and I had so much fun with this one. I love that I did use a tiny little bit of that burnt orange and red up here on the top, and it really has that beautiful contrast between that white and those fall colors. And then on the inside, I decided to do something a little bit differently and place an oversized bird cage with some of my china and some fall leaves and florals. I always get asked about this diffuser, so I will go ahead and leave it linked down in my description box. I do want to let you know though, I did paint it white, so it comes in just a natural wood color. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys all enjoyed today's fall home tour. If you have any questions about any of the products that you see here in today's video, please don't hesitate to ask me down in the comments. I will be more than happy to answer for you. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to click that red subscribe button before you click out if you haven't already. And I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.